Hey everyone, welcome back to Tidbit Takeaway Discount Specials. Today I'm excited to share awesome discounts for 3 great sites. These discounts are always up to date as I update the codes regularly. If there are no updates, I will simply take down the video. So let's dive into today's Tidbit Takeaway. First up is Rocket Languages, an interactive language learning platform that offers courses in a variety of languages. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your language skills, Rocket Languages has a range of courses to help you achieve your goals. You can get a discount on your subscription by using the code VDAY60 and receive 60% off, making it a great deal for expanding your language skills. Next is The Great Courses, a platform that offers a wide range of online courses taught by experts in their fields. Whether you're interested in history, science, or literature, The Great Courses has something for everyone. You can get a discount on select courses by using the code XN52 at checkout and receive 25% off your purchase. Lastly, there's Shopify. Shopify is an online selling platform that simplifies creating and operating your own store. It's incredibly popular among those looking to work from home and start their own business thanks to features like dropshipping. You can get your first month of Shopify for just $1 using the link in the description. That's all for today. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know which other discounts you're on the lookout for. Thanks for watching today's Tidbit Takeaway.